The FIJALO-POLAND team, as part of the training during the delivery of the new equipment, was engaged to perform guided drilling for the installation of underground infrastructure. Thanks to the use of our ALUSTEER machine, we carried out the jacking without the need for excavation, which allowed us to minimize interference with the existing space. ALUSTEER is a state-of-the-art aluminum hydraulic machine that operates flush-free and allows precise jacking of up to 70 meters. Thanks to remote control and high pushing force, we were able to complete the work quickly and efficiently. ALUSTEER and navigation training was conducted in Trzebiatów.